Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and I am Anderson Lopez. Today we're going to be talking a little bit about monitoring of your Azure virtual machine. Okay, before we get started, if you are not a subscriber to the channel, I would kindly ask you to subscribe. We have so many videos. Well, recently I have released very nice ones about growth optimization, Azure landing zone implementation. There are so many videos in the channel, around 111 videos, most of them about DevOps, especially in Azure. So if you like such topic, and if you like this video, I'm pretty sure you're gonna like any of those videos that I have in the channel, okay? So also feel free to leave comments, suggestion, feedback, idea about videos. I'm gonna read all of them and I'm gonna respond all of them. Okay, let's connect. So let's get started. So let's talk about monitoring in Azure, specifically for monitoring the virtual machine. Okay, it's very simple to enable the monitoring in your virtual machine. Okay, there are some details that you need to be aware of, and that's what we're gonna cover right now. Okay, here I have a virtual machine which is already deployed in my subscription. We're gonna use this virtual machine as example for our scenario today. Okay, so if I go here to, if I open virtual machine, you're gonna have your list of virtual machines. You gotta go to Insights. Okay, here Insights. You're gonna see that I don't have Insights enabled. I need to configure. I need to set Insights to my virtual machine. Okay, to set this configuration, I want to explain to you one resource. Well, not explain to you. I'm gonna make another video with a lot of details about the resource, but this resource is very important in order for us to collect the metrics and logs and troubleshoot later on, either if you're working with a Linux machine or a Windows machine or any other virtual machine. Okay, and the resource that I'm talking about is the Log Analytics workspace. Okay, so what I'm gonna do before talk about the Log Analytics workspace, I wanna go through the process of deploying the Log Analytics workspace, and while it's deploying, I will just go to the documentation and quick have an explanation to you about that. Okay, so we go into Log Analytics workspace. Okay, and then we're gonna create a new Log Analytics workspace. Okay, you just click on create, select the subscription that you want, and then we're gonna select the resource group, the resource group you want. You can create another resource group, but in this case, I'm just gonna place in the same resource group that my virtual machine it's located. Okay, let me double check the resource group name of my virtual machine. Okay, that's the one. Let's go to Log Analytics workspace, create. Let me select this one. I'm gonna give a name, Log Analytics workspace. I'm gonna select like a VMs. Okay, that's gonna be a Log Analytics workspace, especially for virtual machines. And after that, I just need to review and create. So I wanted to run this because sometimes I take like a second, but sometimes I take like 2 minutes. So I don't want to wait this during the video. So just gonna leave this deploying. And now we can just jump to the documentation where I want to explain to you. Okay, so the Log Analytics workspace, when you talk about monitoring in Azure, the Log Analytics workspace has an important role. I normally like to say that it's the heart of Azure monitoring. Okay, that's the place where you're going to store the data. So all your metrics and logs is going to be stored there. Okay, and I'm talking specifically about virtual machine, but here it's not only for virtual machines. You can store logs, for example, for your virtual network, or for your log for your storage account, for databases, for many other resources. So that's a place, source of truth, where you're gonna see these metrics, you're gonna play with these metrics, you're gonna troubleshoot your environment, you can do whatever you want, and even export this data and plot in a dashboard in Azure itself. Okay, so that's how it looks like. Well, it does look like this, but inside Log Analytics workspace, we have tables. Okay, so the resources, they're gonna send this log or metrics to some specific tables. So if you know a little bit about SQL query, the access to this table is very similar. You're gonna run something which is called custom query, and then with these commands, you can fetch all the data you need, okay? So basically we have the data source. In our case here, for example, is our virtual machine. These logs or metrics is gonna be stored inside the tables, inside the correct table that is going to be automatically done for us inside Log Analytics Workspace. And then we can query this information, fetch this information, and visualize anywhere we want. In this case, you can visualize in another Log Analytics Workspace. You can create alerts from that. You can create the dashboards and so on. And of course, the insights. That's the insight that we're going to have a look right now. Okay. And that's very simple to deploy. It's very simple to understand as well, okay? So we have just created one, and that's how it looks like, okay? There are a lot of information here, don't worry, but those are the tables that exist by default in our Log Analytics Workspace, okay? Don't worry, we're not gonna dive into Log Analytics Workspace, but you need to know that it's important to have a Log Analytics Workspace in order to centralize the logs of your virtual machines, okay? So once you are in virtual machines, so let's go to Insights. And recently they changed this page because it was not like this before, okay? What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click on Configure, and then here I'm gonna uncheck what is in preview, okay? Let's stick with the Log Analytics Workspace, okay? So basically what we need to do is select our Log Analytics Workspace, okay? Here you can see that already identified to us the Log Analytics Workspace that we want to use, right? But if you want, you can also customize that. So here you can select another one in case you have it. Okay, I have other one, but that's not the case. Okay, I'm gonna save this guy, and I'm gonna literally just hit renew and enable. Okay, everything looks fine. I'm gonna enable it, and the onboarding process is done. That's literally what you need to do. Okay, keep in mind. Not keep in mind, but I strongly recommend you to start learning a little bit about the Log Analytics Workspace, because now it's just going to be a matter of onboarding process. Okay, so our virtual machine is going to onboard. We're going to start to process information, and then we're going to start to see all the utilization here in our environment. Okay, so that's what is going to happen. If you go to monitor as well, if we go to the insights of virtual machines, from here we're gonna be able to also visualize this data. Okay, right now I'm not sure if I can because it's still onboarding. Yeah, not yet, it's not onboarded, but as soon as it's onboarded, we're gonna be able to visualize those data and troubleshoot. Okay, that's the important part. Let me check if I'm missing something here. Virtual machines. You could also set these configurations of your insights from here as well. But as you can see here, are already enabled. Okay, the onboarding has just completed. Okay, so it's not going to be displaying to onboard your virtual machine because we have just done it. Okay, but this is another way that you can visualize it. Okay, so let's go back to our virtual machine, and right now it's just gonna take some time. Okay, because we just enable, and then it's gonna basically start collecting all those information to us. So here we don't have anything yet. You see that the screen of the insights also changed. Let me check if my virtual machine is running. Yeah, the virtual machine is running. I even have a web server. Check, I even have a web server. She's running here as well. Well, not running, but I had a web server. So what I'm gonna do, I just restarted this virtual machine, and then right now we're not gonna be able to see anything. Let me start it. But as soon as we start to use the virtual machine, as soon as the data start coming, we're gonna be able to visualize everything here. So it's just a matter of waiting now. Okay. Yeah, that's as simple as just go to the Insights, configure, and select your logged workspace. There is no much secret. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. That's a simple way of configuration. Soon, within 10-15 minutes, you're gonna start to see the incoming data here. Okay, thank you very much for your time, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. There are a lot of new content coming soon. Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.